guys, how are you? So if you are looking for opportunities that will help you to make money online, so Eagleqash Technologies is the best. So just go to your browser like Google, Opera Mini or whatever, then search eagleqashtechnologies.com. Then you go direct to this website and you will start to navigate and learn how this opportunity help you to make more than 10,000 up to 50,000 per day. In this website you can make money in various ways. So you come here to learn, and if you are interested to join with this opportunity, you will be directed direct to WhatsApp and communicate with me directly, and I'll give more information concerning about these opportunities, how you can make more money and get employed via your smartphone. So I have dropped the link, I have placed the link of this website for registration in the description of this video. You may go there and click the link and start registration. If you met any challenge and if you want to understand anything, you got more questions, you will come direct via the WhatsApp direct link and communicate with me, ask any question that you feel to ask, and you will come to understand what the best thing to do. So in this site I have been explaining in different countries, so you come to know how Eagleqash Technologies works in Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, Congo, and what is good, you can know more how it works globally. You may learn more and become more competence on making money online. So don't stay broke, just start earning today and make amount of money. So you're welcome, come to me, ask and how I make this amount of money daily with my smartphone. Don't use your smartphone without any advantage. So start today to make money online via Eagleqash Technologies. So thank you.